Hello, I'm Dr. Debo, and I'm here today to demonstrate how to set up TLC, thin layer chromatography. TLC is used in science, for example, in chemistry labs, to separate a mixture of two or more compounds in a solution. TLC has three parts. This first part is called the stationary phase. This is what it looks like. The stationary phase is where we place the materials to be separated. The second part of TLC involves the solvent. The solvent can be any liquid that can move the materials on the plate and separate them. For example, we are using ethyl acetate as our solvent. The third part is a solute, which are the specific materials we are separating. Today, I plan to separate this material. I have collected this from a reaction in progress. It is not pure. We want to find out how many materials are in the solute, and later we can separate them using column chromatography. So today we will separate this solute. Before we move on, we must first prepare our stationary phase for spotting the solute. There should be 0.5 centimeters of space from the bottom of the plate and from the top. I have made marks at the bottom to ensure the two spots will be far enough apart. Here we have a white plate. This is acetone. Here is my standard. It is used to identify whether the sample material contains the standard. Now, you can't see the sample spot on the TLC plate, so we have to use an ultraviolet UV light. We have to allow the material to dry for around 5 minutes. Then we put the plate inside a chamber, like the one I have here. This is where the mobile phase, solvent, is added. It's important to pour only a small amount of solvent so that the solvent touches the silica gel below the spotted material, or roughly below where the line is drawn on the plate. If there is too much solvent, all of the material will run off the plate. Now wait for at least 15 minutes, then check your results. I believe the results are ready. As you can see, the solvent has risen to the top of the chromatography plate. But the materials, or the spots, are not visible. So again, we will use a UV light. You can see the spots I've circled, and one matches the standard, which is what we want. This video demonstrates one way to use TLC. You can also use it to track a reaction in progress or to confirm the identity of materials before separation via column chromatography. Next time, I will show you how to run column chromatography.